Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are beautiful day, looking good outside today, ready to go. We got Dial-Up Survivor first in the chat. What's going on, Dial-Up? Walter Mills, good morning to you. Ken Bro, Frank, Ken Bro, Ralph, Dial-Up, Dark Bro. We got Ryan the Rapper. Everybody, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's move this. We don't need this here. Well, 15,280 holders is pretty good. 86,251 out here on Katamoto. Watch out, it might be dropping down below this little yellow line, but I am still holding my Katamoto. It's going to be hitting the base blockchain on May 6th. Shortly after, it's going to be hitting the Solana blockchain. This is, I'm still very, very bullish on this one, guys. Still very bullish. Longer term, I think these guys are going to be revolutionizing meme coins, so watch out for them. Let's see. What we got? We want Weeble, though. That's what we want to do. We want a little market in review with AEMC down 10% on the day today, $3.08. GameStop giving back a little bit, $11.49, 3.49% lower on the day. Shiba Inu Coin got the green on the screen right now, 0.91% higher on the day today, $23.92, bouncing off those 2,300 point per coin lows, but looking very, very good over the last, what is this, man? 9:50 to 2 hours. Is it 2 hours? Yeah, 2 hours. Looking very good over the last 2 hours there. Following Bitcoin almost perfectly, man. Look at this. 2 greens and a little green. 2 greens and a... Well, it just turned purple, but it was a little green. Yeah, there's a little green right there. Yeah, man. Following Bitcoin almost perfectly. I couldn't tell those charts apart if I didn't know the prices on them. NASDAQ, 0.28% higher on the day today. Looking pretty good so far. Dogecoin, 14.34 cents. Ethereum, 31.87. Looks just like Shiba Inu Coin. SHIB, 23.91. Bitcoin sitting at 63,000 flat. The SPY, 509. QQQ, 432. Molinado. I still wouldn't touch Molinado. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't touch for nothing. Sundial sitting at $1.99. Netflix, 557. MPW, 473. MPW, 5% of the day today. Looking very good. Tesla. Woo-wee! Tesla up 15, 16% today. Oh my gosh, dude. Tesla, $195.50. Tesla's looking very, very strong there. Amazon looking good, $179.94. And Apple is looking really good as well. You know, surprisingly, the NASDAQ is only up 0.27%, with Apple soaring 3%, Tesla ripping 16%. Holy smokes, dude. I gotta see. These Tesla calls have to be ripping right now. Yeah, dude. Look at these Tesla calls for Friday. Oh my gosh, man. A 50, you know, you think the crypto world is crazy. And I don't understand what their issues are with regulating crypto. This is one of the largest companies in the entire world. Let's talk about stock options for a second. Dude, these stock options are up 60. Look at this one. 60x. 60x since the open. I mean, what are you going to do about that, man? What are you going to do about that? Literally, if you would have bought these options at the close last week, and you would have just held them, 60x increase, man, from Friday's close. Wow, let's talk about an industry that needs regulated a little more than it is. Yeah, dude, derivatives. Forget crypto. These guys are clowns, man. The SEC is a bunch of fools. And yes, I said that. I meant it. I'll stick by it. Weeble is it's looking good today with 60x gains in Tesla call options. Dial-Up, I was trying. Hope y'all are having an awesome day Monday. Doge 20 is stag, but trades very well with the grid bot. Very, very nice. Ken, bro, where do you get a grid bot on Doge 20 at? Does Doge 20 have a grid bot on Pionex? Pionex? I don't know where you get a grid bot on it. Ryan, my first time being first. Dial-Up Survivor. Very, very well done. It's awesome. Congrats. I'm going to keep trying. Ryan the Rapper. You'll hit it soon, man. You'll hit it soon. Bro, did you see my Insomnia post in the Discord member chat Saturday morning? It's hilarious. No, I don't have my computer reset, man. I don't have the Discord. I don't have the Discord open. right now. I'm going to have to open it up. Here to say hit that like button. Listen to Shay Bro and click that like button, boys and girls. Click it right now. Dude, I didn't know that Uniswap had its own grid bots that you can trade with. What the heck? Ken, man. I might be... do they still have a 1% fee on all the trades? So you got to make sure that you have at least more than a 1% gain there. Dude, because if you can grid bot... Oh, man. Dude, does PancakeSwap have one? Ken Bro, does PancakeSwap have one? Ken Bro's got me thinking about hitting some trades. Ken Bro's got me thinking about getting some more money. Ken Bro, man, does PancakeSwap have a grid bot, or is it just Uniswap? What's your stop loss for SHIB? Well, the truth, I don't have a stop loss on my Shiba Inu coin. If I was gonna put a stop loss on Shiba Inu coin, I'd probably put it somewhere right below the 2,000 point per coin mark. Okay, now we did. Be very well aware, if you do put it down there somewhere, we did wick down to 1,800 and then come all the way back up to 2,700. So that would have been an extremely annoying stop loss there. But, you know, this big line right here, 2,000, 2,100 points per coin, if broken, we could very, very quickly be going back down to test 1,200 or 1,000 points per coin. You wouldn't want to sit on a 50% loss, man. So the current rate that SHIB is descending here, if you put it right below, it means you might have a breakdown below this 2,000 point per coin level. And of course, if you do, very likely to test the next level of support. But just know, the last time we did, we wicked down to about 1,885. So if you put it in 1,900, dude, you're going to get stopped out and then immediately bounce back over the next couple of days to 2,700. And that would be extremely annoying to have happen. But of course, you know, Shiba Inu coin is on a current downward trajectory. So even though it did bounce back, I mean, if it continues on this pattern, you're going to be getting a better deal than 1,800 here pretty soon. So my thoughts on Shiba Inu coin. Stop losses right there if you were interested in my thoughts. Bonk is looking good. Old rounder. Let's pull up Bonk because I haven't seen it. I have a question. How long does it usually take for airdrops on pre-sales? I've not received Sloth yet since pre-sale ended. Should I be worried? No, Johnny K. Don't be worried at all, man. So the pre-sale ended and they have not yet announced the launch date. So let me pull that up here. Why do I not? Oh, my computer reset. I was like, why do I not have my Sloth pre-sale page up there? Hold on. Let me grab that link. Grab that link. Okay. Get rid of this one. Come back over to this one because this is the one that you guys can see. Come here. Right there. And here. All right. So this is... can you see it? You can see it good enough. I don't need to center it up anymore. So the Sloth Ona pre-sale now sold out. Launch date to be announced soon. If you want to know, I mean, you're not going to get an update when their website updates. But if you want to know, make sure to go follow them out on X. And then turn your notifications on. I got my notifications turned on for Sloth Ona here. I don't know if they're going to set it for tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to set it for next week. I don't know when they're going to set that launch for. Pre-sale is completely done. They raised over... Let's see if I can pull up. Yeah. Alright, let's see what they got here. Solana token. Just because I know that's a Solana token. Let's see here. Pull up SolScan. Yeah. These guys are sitting on... Dude, that's a lot of money that flowed in right there at the end. Wow, man. Smokes. $7.3 million in Solana raised right there. And then the next one. Alright, somebody adds 7.3 plus 15.5, man. Just take it to 16.7. You get $23 million. Smokes, dude. $23 million in pre-sale. Dude, that is a great pre-sale. $23 million in pre-sale is fantastic. Dude, you got 23 million raised there, and then something that's selling out as quickly as Dogeverse. Something that's selling out as quickly as Dogeverse, 12.3. 12.3. So these guys absolutely ripped on Sloth Ona, man. A $23 million raise. Now, it could have been, let me say this, right? Those guys did make a genius move, moving $15 million over to USDT. Because Solana, when they moved that over, Solana was a $200 coin. Now it's $135 today, I believe. I mean, just round math or whatever. Dude, $15 million would have turned into $9 million if they didn't do that. So they saved themselves, like, I don't know, nearly $10 million overall if they would have kept everything in Solana there. They did very, very well to move that over to USDT and raise a lot of money. Oh my gosh, dude, 23 million bucks is insane. So Johnny K, we're not going to receive our airdrop until it goes live. Okay, we're not going to receive our airdrop until it goes live. They're going to let everybody know when the launch date is, when all of that stuff is happening. And then when it goes live, the airdrop happens. You're going to be able to trade it if you want to trade it. So let me see. I'll open up my Phantom wallet here. Just confirm that I did not receive anything. Correct. I do not have any Sloth Ona in my wallet. No worries there. That you didn't receive yours and anybody else did. Let's see. Going. $500 bought on Tesla last week. Very, very nice. Kenro. Pancake sponsor are through GitHub. Tesla's laying off 14,000 people, 3,300 in California alone. My Tesla is going good and getting out of Tesla through Robinhood very soon. Hey, Ken, bro, very, very nice, man. Buying $500 worth and seeing a very nice 16% gain today on Tesla. Also, Clay, bro, big news. Exited the last of my yield max positions this morning. All my options are sold for the week. $360 in premium earned for this week alone. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, Frank's all of a sudden, Frank's gonna be ripping $1,500 a month here pretty soon. Let's call it passive income, Frank. Clicking a button isn't really... Clicking a couple buttons a week. No, you can't call it passive, though, man. Because if it was passive, you truly wouldn't be doing anything with it. Let's just call it income, man. Let's just call it income. Frank earning $1,500+ in income on his portfolio on a monthly basis. Frank is literally paying all of his bills. All of his bills with his stock market portfolio. Very well done. Thanks for the info, Johnny K. Absolutely, man. Thanks for making me look at Sloth Ona because I didn't realize they had sold I don't even know what I said, $23 million worth of pre-sale on the SHIB mini Christmas of Sloth Ona token there. Absolutely insane, man. Another one though, Kata, these guys over here sold like $12 million in a matter of 4 days, and they did it in a matter of minutes to seconds every single day that the pre-sale was live. These guys are a very, 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 very heavy hitter here. And they're coming back down off of a little dip that brought us back down to that 8,200 point per coin level right below this yellow line here, which has been major support for the last several days. I would love to see a nice spike back up, retesting this descending trend line, but break back out of that and go back up to the upper end of the horizontal channel. Why? May 1st, they're launching, I believe, Catapult is when they launch that, where they've got some very big news coming out, at the least, they say. And then May 6th, they're going to be available for trading on the Base network. And then shortly following that, they're going to be available for trading on the Solana network. So if you guys want to jump in, I don't know if they're going to be volatile ahead of that, right? I don't know if they're going to go up in anticipation. I don't know if they're going to fall back down. as people, prepare to move over to base, as people prepare to move over to Solana or what. So expect some volatility, sure. But these guys they're going to be on some of the 3 craziest meme coin networks out there: Base, Solana, and BNB. So keep your eyes out for them. A little bit of a dip buying opportunity right now. Only thing better for a dip buying opportunity would be if it came down here to the 7,000 point per coin level. I mean, it was almost there, though. It came back down and dipped like 82 this morning. Currently bouncing back and hopefully continues to bounce back there. Let's see. Did you exit, Ken, bro? Did you exit? Nope. I'm rolling on it. Very nice, Ken. Sup, Clay, bro? What's going on, Momo Life? Glad to have you in here. Greets. What's happening, Suzuki? I have gotten out of the yield maxes at the bottom dollar from dollaring down. I'm at the complete bottoms on all of them at this point. I'm all profits. Very nice, Ken, man. My gosh, dude. What it must feel like to always hit nothing but profits. Ken is absolutely killing it. Kili! Dude, is Crow with Knife still flying? We'll take a look at it, admin. What's up, Clay? Market's still dumping. Looking to buy some new coins. Kili. Yes, the market is falling heavily right now. Sorry. Katamoto. Katamoto is available if you want to add that to your portfolio. It is on a pretty decent dip this morning, down 10+%. Sloth Ona. Sloth Ona is now sold out. Sloth Ona is getting ready to launch here pretty soon. And those are the 2 kind of newer tokens that I'm very excited about. Dogeverse, very new, multi-chain bridging technology. But dude, across the board, you are seeing dips right now. So whether you're looking to add some more blue chip tokens, whether you're looking to add some layer 1s out there, or whether you're looking to add some new meme coins, it is an excellent dip buying opportunity at the moment that hopefully turns into some very strong gains. Right? We've seen a little bit of a pullback in both Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, and so on. It's taken Bitcoin back down to that 63,000 mark from 70,000 that we were seeing last week, 2 weeks ago. So decent, what is that? It's about 10%, 10-11% decline from what we were seeing just last week. How would you look at bonk chart? I have not. Old rounder, let's look at bonk, and let's look at Crow with Knife as well. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. $1.63 billion. Bonk looking very, very strong on the day there. My goodness. Hey, Bonk is crazy, man. Could you just imagine going from 6 zeros and a 19 to 4 zeros and a 25 over a 100x gain? 100x gain, guys. $10 million market cap to a $1.6 billion market cap. Think about that, okay? $10 million to $1.6 billion in like 6 months here. Dude, if something like Kata went from $10 million to $1.6 billion, it would be absolutely phenomenal, man. Oh my goodness. You want to talk about life-changing? Start spreading the word, because these meme coins are only as good as the communities that talk about them. And 15,280 holders is not bad at all, man. Slowly and steadily rising in the amount of holders there. But it is on a dip, and it has slowly begun coming down since 2 days after launch there. So you got to watch the daily trend. You've got your bull flag right here. Hopefully we get a nice little bounce back up above this yellow line, and then I'm hoping for a breakout. I don't plan on selling, but look, you know, I'm not opposed to shaving and re-entering. Okay, 84 as bot. It's the 4196, 13,000. 4196 came in with its bot sell right there for $13,000 sell, which is what dropped you there from 86 back down to 84. And the crazy thing is, these bot sells are outpacing the buys right now. So 13, 11, 13. This could be an excellent buy opportunity because you have 3 big bot sells in a row, which should be followed up by a big bot buy, right? 4196 should be coming in the next couple of minutes with a buy because you usually don't see 4 of these big sells in a row. There's got to be a buy coming in here from 41.96. And when 41.96 comes in and buys, he's going to drive the price back up to 86, 87, 8,800 points per coin. And hopefully gets us back up above this yellow line, man. I don't want to be below that descending, or I don't want to be below that horizontal level of support there. We need to get back up above the horizontal level of support. We need some green lines, not some red lines. Crow with knife, though. We got to look at crow with knife here. Somebody said it was still flying. Yes, it is. Crow with knife getting its crypto.com listing right here, soaring 150%, coming back down a little bit, finding some support in that area, and bouncing up beautifully as well. Watch out, because it is double testing this resistance line, okay? If it breaks out, you've got no resistance left on the screen. Boom, you can see a nice rally. Of course, if it does decline off this double top, you do have some near-term support at 79. If it falls through that, you might be coming back down to 62. So keep your eyes on crow with knife, as it is up a beautiful 61% today, performing very, very well at the moment, and double topping at its all-time high right there. Hopefully it does maintain it, and hopefully it breaks through it for anybody that is holding crow with knife. I don't have it, but if you guys do, then you're going to be looking very, very good. Let's see. This guy's a clown. Still have hope for AMC. Yeah, Oak 84, man. We've been sitting here hoping that AMC squeezes every day. What I would think you should do is probably go buy all the AMC that you have, man. If you have money in the bank, you should probably go check out AMC, and you should probably buy more. It's the best thing that I could say for somebody like you, and it's probably going to be a good decision. I don't know, right? I don't know the future, and I can't advise you on what to do with your money, but if I were you, I would probably, I don't know if you've got a savings account, if you were lucky enough to have a significant other, it doesn't seem like it though, don't ask them. Just go buy AMC with that money, and I think you're going to be just fine. Hey, Clay, you have to take a look at Bonk on base chart and tell me what you think. Yeah, Aris, man, let's go take a look at it. Bonk on base. Bonk on base. Right here. This is what we're looking at. $272,000, tiny little $2 million market cap. So, the only thing that I don't know, Aris, is whether or not bonk on base is at all related to the other bonk, okay? I do not know that. If you know that, then this would probably be a no-brainer here. But if it's not related, right? If it's not related, you had a very nice rebound off this level, but you are coming right back down to test it. So what I would look at is this level of support here. It tapped it as resistance, used it as resistance again, and you might want to go up to the end of the wicks here. But this could be an excellent entry opportunity at 7 zeros and a 15. That is a 50% decline from the current level. Nice $1 million, wow, $1.5 million market cap from the is what you'd have at this level right here. If it does not maintain this line like it did a couple of days ago, I would be very, very cautious, though, because you're most likely going to be coming down another, what is this? Another 50% down to 8 zeros and an 8. So upper end of these candle bodies right there is what I would watch out for if bonk on base does come down. Right now, its overall, I guess, price action over the last week has been negative, testing support levels, seeing how strong these 13,000 holders are. But yeah, dude, overall, if this is the same bonk or if it's associated with the same bonk that's on Solana there, I'd say you'd be doing pretty well to check that out. Well, J-Bones, man, I don't know. I thought I was helping the guy out there. Yes, convinced us to go into debt so you can get a payday. Yeah, Ding Dong Jimmy. I have no idea what you're talking about, dude. AMZ to Pluto. Oak 84 and Ding Dong Jimmy. Make sure, and if you guys don't have a Weeble account, right? If you guys don't have a Weeble account, make sure to use my link to go out there and buy those AMC shares. And like Ding Dong Jimmy said, the more margin you can use, the better off you're going to be in a situation like that. So if you guys want to go out there and fold on, I doubt that you'd get approved for a margin account. But in the case that you did, the more margin you can use, the better. By the $7 million market, $7 million market cap, Tobias, dude, is VVS really on a $7 million market cap right now? That seems extremely low for VVS. Let's see. Nah, dude, is this what we're talking about? VVS is a $187 million market cap. Are you talking about a different VVS? I didn't think that was going to be a $7 million market cap. That seems a little low. I don't know if you're looking at the right VVS or not there. TSLL. Stock or crypto? Oh, okay. So this is completely up to you. Look, I'm bullish on Tesla, right? Long term, I'm bullish on Tesla, really because I'm bullish on Elon. Okay, Elon to me seems to have all the right answers, so I am bullish on Tesla. The thing is, man, beautiful gains today, right? 35% because it's a 2x leveraged ETF on Tesla. Tesla's up 16% today. This is, that's probably a little over 16% now. But Tesla's up 15, 16, 17% today. TSLL is up 35% today because it is a 2x leverage position. If you like leverage, mess around with it. But I do not like leverage. I would rather simply buy shares of Tesla. Now, with that being said, if you are out there trading Tesla, okay, and you're looking to, swing trade it, it's not some sort of hold for you, this could be an excellent position, right? Because if you bought correctly and your trade indicator said, let's buy Tesla, you are going to 2x your money. You're going to do better than if you were to simply buy shares of Tesla. So depending on your strategy, man, I'm not too much of a leveraged holder, but if you are a trader, day trader, or swing trader, you couldn't really see that graph right there because I was in the wrong mode. But, beautiful gains today because Tesla's performing very well. So if you swing trade, if you day trade, yeah, man, why not mess around with TSLL instead of Tesla? It's got a cheaper price, and of course, it's 2x leveraged. So yes, you're going to hit your wins. You're also going to have harder losses, though, if your trading strategy is not going to work out that day. Let's see. I thought he was talking about VVS. I have $7 million market. Yeah, I didn't. Tobias, man, I didn't know. Oh, buy the dip is a meme coin. Dude, you can't tell me to go buy the dip at $7 million on VVS, and I think you're talking about buying the dip on the VVS at $7 million, man. All right, we'll take a look at that in 2 seconds right after say, Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, 4-day weekend starts today. Now I can relax and do some real work on honorarium that is also mow the grass, cook on the Blackstone. Dang it, dude. Actually sounds like a nice day. I got the deck to my mower off right now. I got those tires. I put the tires on. I go to mow, and the drive belt is just shearing off. I don't know what it got caught on under there, but it started to shear off. So I had to push it back up the driveway. Took the deck off. Got the drive belt off. Amazon's bringing a new drive belt today. So I'm going to get that drive belt hopefully put on in between the live streams. Otherwise, I'm going to be putting it on after this afternoon. And then I'm leaving. I ordered new blades. Dude, my blades are like, I would probably do better karate chopping the grass than that mower. Like my karate chop, my side of my hand is sharper than those mower blades. So ordered new mower blades. I'll be putting those on tomorrow because they're slated to arrive tomorrow. And after they arrive, dude, I'm going to have the best lawn in town. Adam Aaron is a savvy businessman advocating for retail. He's the silverback. I trust him 100% with my money. You, Oaks, and Ding Dong Jimmy, yes, J-Bones, you guys are in the right crowd. You're making the right decisions there. Let's see. AMC to the moon. Yes. Oak 84. He knows what it is. I was like, can I have some? Oh, we did $2 million this week. Highest week in what? Dude. That's how much a Home Depot store sells in a week? Is $2 million? Dude, I figured you guys would sell way more than $2 million worth of stuff in a week, no? Is that good, Dark Bro, or is that a bad week? Home Depot's huge. I figured they would be selling more than $2 million a week, man. I don't know. Maybe. Why don't I just sharpen them? Well, Pudgy, yeah, I could sharpen those, but number one, I don't have a grinder or anything, so can't sharpen them myself. I could take them over my stepdad. He did landscaping for a very long time, so he could sharpen them. But dude, they're messed up, man. They are. Like the ends of them are like split, chipped, and pretty jacked up. So I will hopefully take better care of these blades than I did the old blades. The old blade, they are jacked up, dude. I mean, you might as well think that I mowed over gravel driveways for the last 5 years with that mower, and I mean, I probably did mow over quite a few rocks. Giant tree branch, dude. Who the heck wants to move that giant tree branch out of the way? It's probably just easier to run right over it. So, it's seen its fair share of warfare. Let's put it that way, Pudgy. Those blades they had better days, man. Federal Aviation Administration all day long. Yes, man. Federal Aviation Administration lives long in this chat right here. Let's see. Bro, that's phenomenal. What's a normal week, dude? What's a normal week for an entire... Enlighten me, Dark Bro. What's a normal... And I don't know if you're allowed to say or not, right? You don't have to say if you're not allowed to say. But what is a normal week for a giant retail store like Home Depot? I mean, you guys got probably what? 20 employees minimum on staff at all time? Probably $50 million in merchandise in the store at all time. What are we doing on a normal week here? $2 million is a phenomenal week. So what do we got in terms of sales on a normal Home Depot week? That's $1 million over normal times. Highest week in the store's history. Boo! All right, $1 million. So, dude, you doubled the normal. That's actually really good. I would like to be able to sell $1 million a week worth of something. Yeah, I wish I could make $1 million a week. I wish I could make $1 million a week. I truly think that I could make $1 million a week. Like, if me, you, and all 236 people in here, I mean, hit it hard, I think we would easily be bringing in over $1 million a week in sales. I don't even really care what we're selling. But the 241 people in here, myself included, yeah, dude, we'd be ripping $1 million plus a week. Let's see. Crypto seems screwed, to be honest. Well, today. Doc in universe, right? Today. What about tomorrow? Got any call? Unfortunately, Dan, I do not have any call. Instead of having call today, I've got Katamoto. Katamoto is down on the day. You got these bots. I don't understand what these smart contracts are doing. The sells are far outpacing the buys right now. And you're seeing some major sells come across by the smart contracts. Here's a decent buy that came in, 11,600 from the 41.96 there, but it doesn't even offset the sell that came in a couple minutes ago. So Katamoto sitting at 85.15 right now, down 15% on the day today from the 001 level that it's been trending at for the last, I don't know, week and a half. Katamoto sitting at 3 zeros and an 85. Not a bad decline, could go up at any given point, but you guys are right, man. Call. That's not call. It switched the screen on me right before I clicked. Call looking very good. Crow with knife up 60% on the day. Double tapping the all-time high, right? You got call sitting here on the hourly. Call is coming up. Well, I thought I was going to be loading the hourly here. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Call on the hourly coming up, double tapping this level of resistance. If it falls back, okay, just brace yourself. You can see another 10% decline. Come back down to this level of support right here. If it breaks through, nothing is resistance. In a technical manner, it is only going to be up to you guys where you sell at that point. Because, of course, tab an all-time high, tab an all-time high. If it breaks, I mean, you might go up to that $100 million market cap. Going to be a nice, significant number. You might, okay, get stuck at 6 zeros and a 1. I don't know what is going to be, I guess, more psychological to call traders. $100 million flat or this 6 zeros. I'm not saying 6 zeros. 6 zeros and a 1 right here. Boom. Doesn't break. Boom. Doesn't break. So if you break this little yellow line, you might get caught up again on call. At $100 million, you might get caught up again on call at 6 zeros and a 1. During summer, it's an average of 600,000, 800,000. Big sales we do on average of 1 million. It also depends on where you're located. Shoot, if not a billy a week, it's just a mom and pop store. Brian is right on that. Dark Bros Home Depot is just a little mom and pop. Just a little mom and pop, man. We got to do a milli a week for sure. Oh, if not a billy a week. He said a billy. Oh my gosh, dude. What does a billion a week, man? All the Home Depot stores combined? All of the Walmarts combined doing $1 billion a week. Apple, all of Apple doing $1 billion a week. Gee, many Christmas. $1 billion a week's possible, man. $1 billion a week's possible. Nico Nikov, Sloth Ona, man. The Sloth Ona presale is officially sold out. Let's, I gotta go over to this one. Sloth Ona presale is officially sold out. If you don't have their notifications turned on X, you're probably going to know a little bit later. But, of course, you can always stop in here and get some of the latest updates as well. We can look at it. But they have not yet announced when the launch date is going to be. But you cannot buy it. Sloth Ona has sold over $23 million in its presale. This is gearing up to be a huge Solana token. Dude, if everybody doesn't panic on listing, this token lists and everybody's like, oh my gosh, I want my Solana back. And then they just immediately go out and sell their Sloth Ona for Solana, price is going to dump, right? But if everybody's thinking holds, the amount of demand that Sloth Ona got to sell $23 million in a month, I mean, dude, this bad boy could really, really rip and become one of the biggest Solana-based meme coins out there. Can anybody say time to test Bonky Boy with Sloth Ona? I hope so. Can you tell me what the front runner bots contribute to appreciate the assets? Paul, are you talking about Katamoto or are you talking about just in general front running bots? In general, front-running bots do not contribute to assets appreciation. Front-running bots, if you're trying to make that argument, right, you're going to say front-running bots create higher volume. Higher volume gets an asset trending. The fact that the asset is trending gets more people to buy in, and therefore a front-running bot could contribute to the asset's appreciation. But just in and of itself, no. In and of itself, all a front-running bot does is say, okay, we got a transaction coming in that's going to buy $10,000 worth of Crow with Knife here. He's going to buy $10,000 worth of Crow with Knife, and he's not paying a very high gas fee. His transaction is going to increase the price of Crow with Knife a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to front-run that transaction. We're going to come in, we're going to pay a higher gas fee. We're going to buy it at a slightly lower price because we get in first. Our trade is going to hit first because we paid the higher priority fee. And then we're going to sell it to that guy. And that guy is going to be buying it off of us for the slightly higher price. So they pay a little bit of a premium, they front-run their transaction, and then they sell that transaction to the guy who paid a slightly lower gas fee. And if that guy's okay with slippage, if his slippage is set to, 5, 6, 7% or something, the front-running bot knows that. It reads the slippage on that transaction that's coming across, and it says, all right, man, well, I can come in here. This is meeting my parameters. I can kick the price up by 5%. I can sell it right to that guy, and I made some quick money right there. So front-running bots are selfish in nature in the sense that they don't generate asset appreciation, but they can contribute to trending, they can contribute to volume statistics, and they can contribute to people, more and more people seeing it. I think cause 100x potential. What do you think? Ah, man. 100? No. Look, dude, I think it's astounding. I think it's astounding that Shiba Inu Coin and Dogecoin right now are sitting at $10+ billion valuations. For Crow with Knife to be sitting on at these levels, I think it's a $6.5 billion valuation. Yeah, $6.8 billion valuation. I do not, by any means, think that is going to be easy. $6.8 billion is reserved for the best of the best meme coins. And I say that with all respect because Pepe hasn't hit it. Bonk hasn't hit it. Floki hasn't hit it. All of these meme coins, dude, Baby Doge even, that have been out for years have not been able to crack a $6 billion valuation. So, do I think it's possible? Sure. If for some reason it gets this cult-like following, yeah, man, it's possible. But I wouldn't be betting from these levels on a 100x. 50x? Like 30 to 50x? Maybe. Cracking 1 billion to 3 billion seems to be where coins like Pepe, Bonk, and so on like to hang out right now. A much more achievable feat. But, dude, me saying that, then all they got to do is double, right? All they got to do is double from those levels, and you're going to be hitting 100x. Anything's going to be possible at the peak of the next bull market. Just don't think it's going to be easy for a $6.7 billion market cap to be achieved. Yeah, I'd give it I'd say from a lower price point maybe. Or if you guys were in, I don't know, a couple weeks ago or something, and it was down around that $10 to $20 million level, sure. Home Depot revenue for the 12 months ending January 31st, 2024 was $152 billion, 3.1% decline year over year. And Home Depot annual revenue for 2024 was $152 billion, 3% decline from 2023 Home Depot. So what do we got? $3 billion a week being raised by Home Depot. All right, not bad. Dark Bro contributing over there. Dark Bro doing $1 million a week. Golly, boom, dude. What do we got? 300 stores? 300 stores on average, or is Dark Bros a really good store or a subpar store? If Home Depot's got 300 plus locations, makes sense. All I'm doing about $1 million a week, right? No, that would only be $300 million a week. They're doing $3 billion. What am I doing, man? My math sucks. They need 3,000 locations. Dude, Home Depot don't have 3,000 locations, do they? Well, they kind of do. 2,300. Holy crap. That's just in North America. I don't know if they're across the globe or not, but wow. Dark Bro's above average, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. $1 million a week. $1 million a week with 2,300 stores gets you $2.3 billion a week. They're hitting over 3. Man, Dark Bro killing it out there. Who would have known? Who would have guessed? Man, oh man. Very nice. Do you think Kronos will get to a $50 to $100 billion market cap? If so, then isn't Kronos the best lock play for our money? James. Oh, man. James. Let's see where Kronos is at right now. You guys always come in with the highest of the high. Crypto.com coin, also known to you new folk, is Kronos. 3 billion. Yeah, 10x. He's saying 10 to 20. He's saying 20 to 30x. Let's see something. James, I'm more conservative than that, man. I'm more conservative. Do I think that Crypto.com is going to reach the same level as Binance? Not anytime soon, okay? Not anytime soon. Binance is such a large coin compared to Crypto.com. It's such a large exchange compared to Crypto.com that I don't think Crypto.com gets to that level anytime soon. Now, I will say this, okay? I think that Crypto.com either is in bed with Gary Gensler, or Gary Gensler has some sort of a crush on somebody that works at Crypto.com. I have no idea. I am bewildered that Crypto.com has never seen any issues from the SEC. The SEC it would literally go after my mom if they knew what her name was, okay? The SEC is going after anybody and everybody right now because Gary Gensler is an absolute ghoul. Yet Crypto.com gets spared. Why? The SEC is going after companies that don't even have dealings in the United States. But Crypto.com gets spared. Dude, something doesn't add up about that. So, I don't know, man. If the SEC is trying to kill all of these other exchanges and only leave Crypto.com, sure. Easy $3-4 price point there. But if competition remains, I don't know if they're going to be able to grab enough market share to really take that $3-4 price point in order to reach the levels you're talking about. Hearing BlackRock wants Doge ETF over Ethereum. I have not heard that, Giovanni. I have not. That's probably some Dogecoin boys that are wanting to see their Doge spike up in value. Hello, everyone. Super late. Richo in here, anybody? I don't think that Richo is in here at the moment, man. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Giovanni, I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow, man. I don't even know what's happening right now. Even a 20x would be good enough for me. Adding a 20x would be phenomenal into anything that I own. Let's see. When launch? What do you think? Nico, I would imagine, okay, I can't imagine they're going to make us wait much more than a week. Okay, I really can't. I can't imagine they're going to make us wait much more than a week. So we shall find out, but I have no idea when the launch is going to be. The longest awaited launch I saw was Doge 20, and that was like slated for 3 weeks out. But I doubt that they make us wait that long for their launch. Let's see, we have over 2,300 stores at the moment. And ours is one of the highest selling for this district. Dark bro, dark bro, dark bro, dark bro. Dark bro, you know way too much about Home Depot, man. I hope you looked that up. What is the easiest way to convert Tether ERC20 to Tether BNB? K-King, D-Bridge, okay? D-Bridge. Moving from Ethereum to BNB, well, let me say this, okay? Most likely D-Bridge. I use D-Bridge, but you can use whatever bridge you want. So let me show you what that looks like. Let's see. Do I want to go straight D-Bridge or show you how to get there through Jupiter? Yeah, I'll just show you here. Alright, so if you use something like D-Bridge, alright, you can use any bridge you want, to be honest, but you want to go from the Ethereum blockchain, right, and you want to sell your USD Tether, and you want to move over to the BNB blockchain for USD Tether, right? I don't know how much you got. Let's say you got $1,000. And not enough balance because I don't have my wallet connected, just to let you know. But, ah, man. Okay, so I don't know if it's going to show us. Maybe. I don't know if this shows us the total fees or not. So you're going to end up... There's no way that's right. It's going to have a higher fee than... Okay, this does seem right here. Okay, this seems like it updated. Because gas is relatively low at the moment, or GUI, however you pronounce it, is relatively low. If you're moving 1,000 USDT over from Ethereum to BNB, you're gonna end up with 997. Okay, $997.71. You're gonna be paying about a $2.29 fee to make that happen right there. If trading really... Oh, can you even see it? Am I on the wrong one? I'm on the wrong one. Hold on. I'm on the wrong Chrome. Hold, please. Hold, please. I was on the wrong Chrome, guys. Sorry. If you want to bridge over, right? He wanted to move from Ethereum. This is D-Bridge. You can choose whatever bridge you want. I've used D-Bridge several times, but you can use whichever one you want. Sometimes it's a little cheaper if you go on Jupiter and allow Jupiter to find the cheapest bridge. But, you know, you might be paying for a little bit of a longer transaction or slower transaction. But you want to move your USDT on Ethereum over to the BNB chain, and you want to move it over to USDT. What did that pull up that for? USDT on the BNB blockchain. So, not enough balance. Clearly, my wallet's not connected. So, you want to move 1,000 USDT over. What you're going to end up doing, $997.72 is what you're walking away with, right? So $997, you're essentially paying a $2.28 fee to move over from Ethereum to USDT. Now, I will say this, okay? If you're looking, how many Ethereum tokens up right now? I do not. Let's see. Doge20 is an Ethereum token. Doge20 currently sitting at 1530. You can see, dude, GUI is relatively low at the moment. Sitting at 11 and 12 right now. So if that increases, if people start trading Ethereum pretty heavily and congestion goes up, your fee could almost be $20. Okay, $30 even, depending on how high the GUI is. So just be aware that when you transfer over, your gas fees and your bridge fees are going to be higher and all of that. But yeah, if you want to move over USDT to USDT, Ethereum to BNB, this is a bridge. It is called D-Bridge, and I've used this. I've moved over Ethereum to Solana and BNB to Solana on this bridge right here. Happens instantly. So some of the other bridges might be slightly cheaper, but they might take a little longer. Completely up to you and what you want to, I guess, what you want to do in terms of what you want to pay and how fast you want to make it happen. And sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize I was on the wrong Chrome for a minute there. Let's see. Maybe Gary is in bed with Kronos and wants them to be on the top exchange. Or maybe he is invested in Kronos. Giovanni, he's doing something that just doesn't seem right to me, man. There's no way. I use Crypto.com, right? I'm not trying to, like, get Crypto.com in trouble or anything. But there's no way that Kronos is doing nothing wrong when every other exchange seems to be doing everything wrong. Let's see. Clear the dozer. No. I may have jumped in there to see how they were doing, but no, I'm not currently in the Dogeverse Telegram. I'm in a few Telegrams, dude, and I just don't want all the notifications and messages to go through and all of that. So I'm not in Dogeverse Telegram right now. Does Dogeverse help Doge or Shiba Inu and the rest of the dog memes? Wow, Giovanni. Honestly, Dogeverse could help all of the memes if it truly is a utilized bridge, right? So Dogeverse is setting up to be a multi-chain bridge between 6 different blockchains. So that D-Bridge I just showed you, when Dogeverse is up and running, it should be very, very similar to what I just showed you with D-Bridge. JB, thank you very much for 34. I got to get an icon, man. If you're 34, that means J Bones is going to be hitting 35, 36 very, very soon here. JB, man, 34 months, bro. I absolutely love it, man. Thank you very much for keeping that green name. Claybook, playtime. What are you playing with? You got chipmunks over there? Happy Helix, chill out a bit, or use all the characters in your comments. Jeez Louise, man. Happy Helix. Yeah, Radiant for slow transactions. Happy Helix. I don't know what was going on, but I don't know. You got Chris excited right now. Bro, Dogeverse utility is a lie. It's only claimable on Ethereum. Dave S. Dogeverse's utility is on their roadmap, all right? I don't know if Dogeverse is immediately going to launch with all 6 blockchains and anything like that, right? But that's why I say in the videos, if Dogeverse accomplishes what their roadmap says, and they are a multi-chain bridge between all of those, something similar to what I just showed you with D-Bridge, it is going to bring phenomenal utility. Right? I don't know, right? I don't have any like secret access to what these guys' plans are. But why would they not want to make a crap ton of money by building a bridge? Shout out to Clay, bro. Will Major, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Let's see. Where we at here? Congrats, JB. Congrats, JB. JB is the man. Absolutely. Clay, not a good time to get into waste management. Wait for a drop bit. I don't know. Yeah, let's look at waste management real quick, and then we're going to take off for the afternoon, Chris. Got to go this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's see where it's at on the daily. Dude, Chris, me personally, I would hold off just a bit, okay? Waste management is an absolute killer. As you guys can see, these guys do nothing but go up longer term. Their dividend yield of 1.41% seems modest. But if at any point in history you would have bought these guys, not only do you have ridiculous capital gains, you have a dividend that has been around for like 30 years, maybe plus, and has never gone down. So very, very good long-termer with waste management here. The only reason I say maybe hold off is because they are attempting this all-time high for the second time. If it breaks through, you could see a nice run. Could be a very, very good gainer there, and you might go from 213 to 230 or beyond. But looking at their history, right, the last time they hit all-time highs, a little easier to see on a weekly. The last time, it was boom, 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts. This one here, 1, 2, 3, fourth attempt. This little level in here, 1, kind of broke it on the second attempt there. So depending on how long it takes them to break through this line, I would actually say you might have a chance to get back in at the 200 level. I think you got to see a pretty messed up economy for people to stop having trash and see waste management come back down to 170. So that's what I'd be looking at, man. Maybe a little bit of a pullback here. Get in. It's roughly 5 to 6% cheaper in this level right here at 200. If you're interested in adding some shares of waste management and have a very, very nice long-term gainer, long-term dividend growth stock there. Guys, it is 103. Mr. Normus, thank you very much for the membership. I never get recognized as one of the long-term members. Don't leave this boy out. 34 months of bro. Mr. Normus, man. Thank you very much for being a member for 34 months. And you know what, Mr. Normus, it's not because I don't recognize you as being in here for a very long time. Clearly, I know you've been around forever. You're one of those dudes that sits a little silent in the chat. Now, I know you're probably driving for the majority of it. If you're out there delivering mail or whatever, I know it might be much, much more difficult for you to be active in the chat. But I absolutely appreciate you being in here, listening, man. I mean, clearly, there's a lot of people that do that. There's some active members, absolutely, but there's got to be a lot that just chill out in the chat and listen. And if you know what? If you are one of those, let me know down in the comments below. If you're pulling a Mr. Normus out there and just chilling and listening, let us know. Dark Bro, thank you for the super chat. Dark Bro says, honorarium to $1, KSM Kasama to 500, and YFDAI to 10,000. Let's make it happen, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for that super chat. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here. Let's do some shout outs, man, and then we will be back. Katamoto was on a very good dip. Pudgy making me stay a little later. Katamoto was on a very good dip a little bit earlier, down to 82 points per coin, or 8,200 points per coin. Let's see where it's at as we're ending the stream here. Katamoto currently sitting at 86, bouncing back just slightly. 84. Yeah, I guarantee 41.96 or whatever it is just sold. Yep, 41.96 just sold 16.6. The moment I looked at that graph, took it from 86 down to 84. Smart contracts are slightly outpacing with sells to buys right now. So 84, 64. Very, very good dip buying opportunity actually on Katamoto. If it does continue to come down, I'd be watching the 8 to 77 level for potentially bottom this price is seen since launch. A couple minutes of wicks down since launch here, but that was it. Since then, 7,700 to 88,000 points, or 7,700 to 77 points to 80 points, whatever you want to say, is held up as the major level of resistance there. Keep your eyes on it, guys, but let's do these shout-outs, and we will be back. Dark Bro, man, enjoy your afternoon. Mr. Hugo, see you later. Brian, see you later. I am. I love it, dude. Pulling Mr. Norman there. Marlon, Vinny, very nice, dude. Glad to have you guys in here, though. Marlon, see you later. Ryan the Rapper, see you later. Happy Helix, enjoy your day. We got Walter Mills, have a great one. John J, Walter Mills, just sit and chill. Also, Walter, thank you very much for letting me know, man. The famous ones, John J, Brian, see you later. John J, Frank, Dark Bro, we got John J, Gorilla, John J, Pudgy, see you later, man. I will never ignore you, Pudgy, never. John J, Gorilla, Happy Helix, Frank, man, Yankee, Will Major, Rodney, Frank, Johnny K, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.